Hello everyone, this is Felisa and welcome back to Homebody. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can personalize your home decor and also give you some ideas on some gifts that you can make for your family and friends throughout this year. This video is sponsored by Cricut. I'm going to be using my Cricut Maker and my Cricut EasyPress 2 in this video. Okay, loves, you can create your own projects by using the Cricut Design Space via your desk or laptop, or perhaps by using your mobile device. I'll put the mobile device app here on my screen and I'll just skim through it just so you can see how the Design Space has pre-populated projects. Some of the projects are free and some of them you have to pay for use. What I really like about the Cricut Design Space is you can create your own designs, which is likely what I'll be doing once I get used to using the basic Cricut Maker projects. Okay, loves, so once your project is created in the Design Space, you click the Make It button and the Cricut Maker will do all the work for you, as you see the machine doing here. You're then going to unload your project and use this tool called the weeding tool to remove the extra vinyl off your project, as you see me doing here. I'm going to be creating a heart pillow for Valentine's Day. I'm going to be decorating my living room for Valentine's Day. I'm going to create a string of hearts. I'm going to create a larger heart to add in a vase. And I'm going to create some hearts to add to a flower arrangement. Okay, loves, before I move on to the home decor that I made, I want to share with you some awesome items that I made during the Christmas holidays. I made some masks, some personalized masks, as a matter of fact, and gave them out as Christmas gifts for the holidays. I made some super cute ornaments. This peace ornament was actually my favorite. I also made a jar ornament, which I thought was super cute. I made some personalized gift tags. I thought that was super awesome. So no more buying gift tags for me, right? Okay, loves. So using the EasyPress, I created a beautiful heart pillow. Basically, the steps are you turn on the EasyPress, you let it warm up, set your time, and once the timer is done, you peel off the clear portion and your pillow is ready to use. Okay, loves, just in case you're wondering, the silver hearts are temporarily glued to my plant. I can easily peel the hearts and the glue off of the plant. I use a hot glue to do that. I placed a string of lights on my coffee table, but they're on the second shelf. And I also placed the larger hearts in the canisters on my entryway table, which I'll show you later in the video. I have so many ideas in mind for decor that I can create with my new Cricut Maker, especially since it can make my home more personalized and more unique. And you know I love unique home decor. And what I really like about having a Cricut Maker and the EasyPress is it's going to help me stay out of Home Goods and Z Gallery, and I can save more money. Yippee yay! I'm super excited about that. I hope that this video inspired you just as much as it inspired me as I embark on my crafting endeavors with the new Cricut Maker and the EasyPress 2. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!